I've got the 69 CK. Got a piece of crap bucket on here that came with it that it's got welded bolts and shit inside and cracks. That's a light duty bucket to match the hoe itself. I don't really need it. I've got a couple other buckets that I'm using, and this is the lightest, most screwed up bucket of them all. So the idea is to cut it where I've got this plan here and turn it into a T shape here, and then this will press. I'm going to weld a eye bolt here, and it's going to hang with a splitting arm. Kind of something I've seen on the internet, but they want $2,000 for. So instead, to convert this and some other parts I have, try to make the bucket, the push arm for it. We'll see how it goes. Parts and pieces that I'm going to be using. Got some frame components off of another tractor. I'm going to be using these pieces here off the frame. I'll cut them and mount them to the hoe. And then these are some of the lift arms for the old, it was kind of a 3-point configuration, so I'm going to try to use those. Additionally, this is a blade for another implement I had on another tractor that I might use for the cutting arm, because it's got that blade in there like so. So, you know, if I get done with this, in theory the parts total will be very, very minimal. Recycling components, if you will. We'll see how it goes.